Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today I will guide you how you can design business card in Adobe Illustrator. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So you see this is the home page of Adobe Illustrator, and on left side you can see create new or open. So just click create new. So for business card, from here select inches, and the width of business card should be 3.5 and height is 2. So in bleed, top, bottom, left, right is 0.125. So just after setting all these values, click create. So here you see these are two artboards for business card. One will be back side of business card and one will be the front side of business card. So first here we place the rectangle for background for covering these empty space. So select rectangle and place here. So if you are design your own business card, so it's important to know about business card bleed, cut lines and safety lines. So for your understanding, I designed this image. Here you see three lines: black, red and this green. So black is bleed, red is trim line and green is safe zone. When you design your business card, the background and non-critical elements of a design should extend to this line, this black line. And when you give the business card for printing, cut your business card from here, red line. So that's why this is called trim line. Line is the final line of the file to which the printed card will be cut. The safe zone is you should place any text, logos or content within this safe zone. So if you place any text out of this safe zone, then the printing machine can be cut by mistake your text. So just for safety, place your logos and text just within this safe zone, but the extra design, the background and non-critical elements, just design extend to this line, this black line. So I hope you understand how you can set these lines. So now go to main artboards. So here you see this is the bleed line, and here we have to draw safe zone. So for drawing safe zone, just we need guidelines, and here you see there is no guidelines. So if you didn't see guidelines on your screen, so just on your keyboard press Ctrl R, so the guidelines will be shown on your screen. So just press Ctrl and draw the lines here. So when you draw guidelines, then start your work, design your business card. So I designed this business card simply just for you, and you can see my logo and text inside the safe zone, but my design and my background just extend to this last line. So after completing the all design and check the design, so delete the guidelines. You see in artboards some extra design, so we will clip this some extra design in business card. So how we can clip the extra design in business card? So just see, from here select this rectangle and draw the rectangle above the business card. No matter what color, white, black, green, any color, it doesn't matter. Just draw the rectangle, and after drawing the rectangle, just see every corner is exactly above the artboard. So after checking, just select this part like this, right click, and here this click here, make clipping mask, and you see the extra design clipped in this artboard. So just like this, we clip the extra design of back side of business card. So again, select the rectangle, place the rectangle on the artboard, check all corners. So select this all, right click, and here click make clipping mask. So you see the extra design clipped in artboard. So now we will export one by one back side and front side of business card. So go to file, export, export for screens. From here, first uncheck one and one is checked. So I check this first artboard. You can rename the artboard like this, and here click export artboard. So now after exporting the one artboard, just again go to file, export, export for screen. Now check the second artboard and uncheck the first artboard, rename the second artboard, and just click export. Hope you guys understand how you can design business card and how you can draw the guidelines for bleed and for trim line and for safe zone. So if you have any question regarding to business card, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.